Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanTrucks.com, and the gloss black mirror covers that we're talking about here today, these are going to be a great option for the 21 and newer F-150 owners out there, either looking to maybe de-chrome their ride or possibly cover up a set of scratched or damaged factory mirror caps. Now these particular options are going to combine a UV resistant ABS plastic build along with a really nice gloss black finish, and will have cutouts for the turn signals, all for right around that low $100 price point for the pair. So again, these options are going to appeal to a wide range of F-150 owners out there. I think maybe most importantly, owners looking to de-chrome his or her rig through things like aftermarket grills, bumpers, and of course the mirror caps that we're talking about here today. Now on the other hand, maybe you have a lighter colored truck, white, silver, and so forth, and the factory mirror caps have just taken a beating and are scratched from abuse due to low offset wheels or maybe some wheeling off-road. Listen, I speak from experience on this. I have a white F-150, and the combination of a low offset and a good bit of off-roading has absolutely smoked my factory mirror caps. So this is definitely something I would be considering to cover those things up and just make them look good again, and do so at a very affordable price point. Now the covers themselves are designed to fit the non-tow mirrors found on the 21 and newer F-150s and have been designed using OEM Ford CAD data, and that's going to help make these things fit like a glove, as you'll see not only with our install pictures and video, but also with some customer review photos. Definitely check those out if you haven't done so already. Materials are going to be pretty standard here overall when we're talking about a mirror cap replacement. The highlight, no doubt, is that durable ABS plastic for the overall build quality, and then finished off in a very nice gloss black paint job. I know I shouldn't make a big deal of that, but I've seen plenty of these things in the past from other manufacturers that are just fish-eyed like crazy and the paint just really isn't all that great. Not the case here. These are really well done when it comes to the gloss black finish. I do also want to point out, guys, the covers do have cutouts for the turn signals. That's always a plus if equipped, and they are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Moving into pricing here, guys, and these things are going to hover right around $100, give or take, for the pair, which I would say is going to be right on par with a lot of other options here on the site. And at the end of the day, it's still going to be far more affordable picking these up as opposed to having your factory mirror caps resprayed at your local paint shop. But maybe the best part about this particular set is that they do install easily without the need for any drilling or mirror disassembly, thanks to the pre-installed 3M tape already located on the back. So because this is a simple peel and stick job, the site's going to go with a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no more than 15 minutes to complete from start to finish. Now those other options I mentioned earlier, they're going to require you to kind of blow apart your factory mirrors in order to install an aftermarket cap. Again, not the case here. Real simple job. You're just going to make sure you clean off those factory caps first well, use your adhesion promoter, and then basically stick these guys into place. But to give you a better idea of how that all goes down at home, let's throw it out to the shop right now for a detailed walkthrough.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some mirror covers on our F-150. There are no tools required for this job, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we've got our mirror cover and we're over on our passenger side here. Now, you do want to make sure your mirror is nice and clean, which case ours is, so if you need to wipe that down, go ahead and do that. And then what you're going to do is remove the cover off your adhesive backing here for your cover itself. Now for demonstration purposes, we're going to keep ours on, which is okay for the install. It's just not going to be permanent, so we're not going to do that, but you definitely want to go ahead and remove those first. Then what you're going to do is just take your cover, slide that right onto your mirror. Then you want to press firmly to get that adhesive to really grab onto your mirror. And then you can go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our mirror covers with turn signal openings and gloss black finish for your 21 to current F-150. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.